What's the meaning of adapter? Adapter. 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 An adapter is a device used for connecting two different pieces of equipment or machinery that would otherwise be incompatible with one another. It allows them to work together seamlessly by converting the signals or power from one format to another. For example, a laptop adapter converts AC power from a wall outlet into DC power that the laptop can use. Adapters come in various shapes and sizes, and they can be found in many different types of devices, including electronics, appliances, and automobiles. Overall, adapters play an essential role in enabling different technologies to communicate and function together efficiently.